All right, guys, I want to show you my go-to travel kit. So if you travel around, if you travel the world, if you travel globally, especially in Europe, nothing says you're more American than when you pull out your cord and you realize it doesn't fit. So don't let that happen to you and get yourself one of these. Now, the cool thing about this is like you can go out there and get a ton of different adapters, but this gives you all the power that you need. So if you're traveling with somebody that uses a hairdryer or a curling iron, it's a must-have, right? Because this has a special 2,000 watt for your hair dryer. Now, you're not going to be able to use a hair dryer that has a digital screen. It's a mechanical hair dryer, your basic hair dryers that we've had from like the 80s with the push button up and down. If you have a more sophisticated hair dryer, then this isn't going to work for you. But the other really cool thing is that you have 200 watts, which is plenty of power to charge like a laptop or something like that off of these. Now that's not 200 watts, it's shared. So these two things are 100 watts each or 200 watts for one, right? So if you plug one in, you're gonna get 200 watts. If you plug another one in, it's gonna share that. As well as the USB-C, I believe it's like 18 watts. And then your USB-A's right here. You got 4 USB-A's, a USB-C. They thought of everything with this little portable kit, and it fits right inside of this goodie bag. And then inside of this goodie bag, you're gonna get your power cord, which is awesome. They thought of everything. This is just a normal computer power cord right there. So you can see that. And it just kicks right in here. So if you lose it, just a normal computer power cord's gonna be fine. And then this Lego tower right here, it just kind of keeps it all together. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different inverters. So it's going to be covered for all over Europe, Africa, Australia, Asia, you name it. Wherever you're going to go, you're going to be covered. And then, you know, trying to put them back together is kind of a puzzle in of itself. But I kind of like how they did that, honestly. So you're going to have all the different ports. It's my goal in life to be able to use every single one of these. I love to travel. My wife and I would travel all the time. In fact, we're full-time travelers. And so we're constantly using this. But if you are traveling and you want to be able to look good, you want to be able to use your hair dryer, you want to be able to use your curling iron, then you're going to need one of these.